Hi everybody, this is a quick introduction, quick tutorial of Secret Contract code verification system. So you will understand how to use it in order to verify your contract. We are going to secret-contracts.com. In the web you can see all the code IDs that have been pushed to the blockchain. As you can see, any code ID can be deployed more than one time. For example, this code ID have been deployed 2 times. When you open the code ID in accordion, you can see the secret contract address and the label of deployed contract. We have verified this number 5 code, and I will try to show you how demonstrate another verification online now. I downloaded the code, which is from Enigma MPC, which I know is the number 23 of code ID. As you can see, there are 28 deployments of the same code. Is about rewards. If you have the code and you want to verify it, actually we enter to the details of the contract. If code is not verified, so it is not published here, in that case you will see this text: code ID is not verified, are you the contract creator? But it is not necessary so to be a creator. If you have or found the code in some place and you know that it is the correct one, you can verify. Anybody can verify any code. The idea is, after verification, the code will be published in this web, and also the backend automatically push the contract to the we created a repository, user secret contracts. As you can see, because we have here the code number 5 verified, when verification is finishing and it is successful, the system will push the code to this user, to this GitHub account. We go forward and try to verify the number 23. We are entering to any contract, and yes, if there are failed attempts or the successful one, they will be show it here in a table. We are going verify and publish. This is important to choose the proper contract optimizer version that you have used. In this case, I know the contract deployed using this 104 optimizer Docker, and we go to upload the file. This is that I have downloaded, and we are verifying it. What is happening here, you can read and understand. The verification process is taking some time, so we can look to the process, how it happening and what is the verdict. So if it is matched the hashes on this link. So here we can see the updates, the system, the logs of the verification system, and when it finishes, it will show here success or failed. Yes, you can see here is things happening. And meanwhile, I will show you what happening when verification process is successful. So the code is published here. You can see the source code. As Tom suggested, we added today the syntax highlighting tool for the code, so it will be easier to read. You can see directly here the code, and also you can download here the zip file for if you want to redeploy or what, well, take a look in your machine. At the same time, you can go to the GitHub repository. This is the same account, and that was the code ID 5. Okay, I hope everything is clear here. Here we are returning to our verification process, which we can see what is happening. I go to pause at this moment the recording and will return when it finishes. It takes some 5 or 10 minutes. Also, in case if somebody at this moment verifying another contract, when you submit, the system will say you that your verification process put it in the queue, and you can take a look on the actual what is happening at this moment, or you will have another link where you can wait when actual one will finish. You can start to see the progress of your verification process. So I'm pausing. As you can see, the verification process is finished and status is success. In the log you can say expected hash is equal that actual hash. So what is happening at this moment when we go back to the secret contracts, and hopefully, yes, we can see already the sign of that this code also have been verified. And if you enter to any place, that's all, you will see the actual code which is verified. The hashes are the same as the compiled contract in the blockchain, so you can be sure that this code is the same code that you will execute in the blockchain. One more thing, so surely we will see the new repository here. Yes, perfect, here it is. So the code ID 23 also is published in this account, which is Secret Contracts. We put the message in the information here in the comment of the proposal when we finish the application. Thank you very much, and I'm sorry for my English. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, you can ask us here in GitHub, and also the source code. This is not about this was a tutorial, but I want you to know that the source code, this is an open source project, and source is here. All the information you have here in this comment when we have finished it. You have the source, you have the actual site, and you have the GitHub account where actually all the verified codes will be published. Thank you very much. See you